Windows is missing some basic features you use every day, like proper volume control and monitor brightness adjustment. Today, I'm showing you 6 free programs that fix these problems and should honestly be built into Windows already. Welcome to SoftwareHope. If you find this helpful, hit subscribe and the notification bell for more free tech tips. Let's start with the biggest game changer, PowerToys from Microsoft. This is hands down a must-have collection of system tools that adds incredibly useful features to Windows. We're talking about more than 25 different tools that can seriously enhance your productivity. I'm not exaggerating when I say this is one of the first programs I download and install on any new PC I get. It's that essential. Let me walk you through some of the tools I use most often. First up is Advanced Paste. This lets you paste content as plain text, Markdown, or JSON format. If you're a developer or work with text regularly, this feature alone is worth a download. Then there's Always on Top, which is exactly what it sounds like. You can pin any program window so it stays in front of everything else, even when you click on other applications. Perfect for keeping reference materials visible while you work. The color picker is another favorite. Click anywhere on your screen to pick up a color from any program, and it automatically copies the color code to your clipboard in whatever format you need. Whether you're working in Microsoft Paint, GIMP, or any other design program, this tool saves so much time. Image Resizer is fantastic for bulk operations. Need to resize a bunch of photos? Just right-click, select your settings, and PowerToys handles everything without opening any image editing software. Power Rename makes renaming multiple files incredibly easy. Instead of manually changing each file name, you can rename dozens or hundreds of files at once with custom patterns and rules. And here's one of my absolute favorites, Text Extractor. This uses OCR technology to copy text from images or areas where you normally can't select text. Just draw a box around the text you want, and PowerToys puts it straight into your clipboard. It's like magic. This tool is something I mentioned in a previous video, and I'll say it again. Everything is a program I genuinely can't live without. Microsoft should have built this search functionality into Windows years ago. When you're searching for files and folders on your computer, Windows' default search is painfully slow and often misses things you know are there. Everything changes the game completely. It's lightning fast and finds exactly what you're looking for. The program is incredibly lightweight and easy to use. As soon as you start typing in the search box, everything instantly displays results. We're talking real-time search that updates as you type. No waiting, no spinning wheels, no frustration. If you frequently search for files and folders on Windows, do yourself a huge favor and download everything. Trust me on this one. Once you use it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Now let's talk about something that'll make your ears happy. Ear Trumpet. If you've ever tried to use Windows' built-in volume mixer, you know it's a complete nightmare. You have to click through multiple menus just to adjust the volume for individual programs. It's honestly frustrating. Ear Trumpet is a brilliant alternative that puts all your volume controls exactly where they should be, right in your system tray. With just one single click, you can access volume controls for every program you have running. It literally couldn't be easier to use. Here's what I love about it. I keep Ear Trumpet on the opposite side of Windows' built-in volume control, so I have both options available. When you click on the Ear Trumpet icon, it opens up clean, simple sliders for your system volume and every single program you have open. Want to turn down your music while keeping your game audio high? Done. Need to mute that annoying browser tab? One click and you're sorted. Now let's move from your ears to your eyes with Monitorian. Here's something that'll blow your mind. Microsoft still doesn't have a built-in way to adjust monitor brightness from Windows.
In 2025?
Can you believe that? If you're using multiple monitors, you know the struggle of reaching around to press those tiny, clunky buttons on the back or side of your displays just to change the brightness. It's especially annoying when you're trying to match brightness levels across different monitors. Monitorian solves this problem beautifully. Just like Trumpet, it lives quietly in your system tray, ready when you need it. This simple but powerful tool lets you adjust the brightness of up to 4 displays at once, all from one convenient location. To use it, just click on the icon and use the sliders to increase or decrease the brightness of each monitor individually. This is a game changer for me, especially when I'm editing images or videos and need to boost the brightness on specific monitors for color accuracy. No more fumbling around with physical buttons. Let's talk about Auto Dark Mode. This is a recent addition to my essential programs list, and I'm kicking myself for not discovering it sooner. This app was actually a winner of the Microsoft Store Awards a few years ago, so you know it's legit. Here's the thing. Windows does let you manually switch between light and dark modes, but it doesn't offer automatic switching based on time of day. That's where Auto Dark Mode becomes incredibly useful. The program automatically switches between light and dark modes in Windows and all your compatible programs at specific times throughout the day. I love having light mode during daylight hours when there's natural light, and then dark mode kicks in at night to reduce eye strain. After installing Auto Dark Mode, it's turned off by default, so you'll need to enable it first. Once it's running, you have several options for how it works. You can set custom hours, have it switch from sunset to sunrise based on your geographic location, or even have it follow Windows Nightlight feature, which reduces blue light from your display. I've been using mostly the default settings, but there are plenty of customization options in the settings panel to make it work exactly how you want it to. Finally, this last one is specifically for the developers watching, VS Codium. I'll mention this briefly since it's quite specialized, but if you're into coding, this could be exactly what you're looking for. VS Codium is a completely free code editor that uses the exact same open source code as Microsoft's Visual Studio Code. You get all the same core features and functionality that make VS Code so popular among developers. So, what's the difference? Several of my developer friends have switched to VS Codium because it removes Microsoft's proprietary components and all the telemetry that Microsoft uses to track user activity in their version. If privacy is important to you and you want a clean coding experience without data collection, VS Codium is worth checking out. Plus, it's not just for Windows. You can also get VS Codium for macOS and Linux, making it perfect for cross-platform development. These 6 free programs seriously upgrade your Windows experience, from better volume control to lightning-fast file search. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to SoftwareHope for more free tech content. Thanks for watching.